You already know what's up if you've been watching the videos. We're here to open the 9th box of the advent calendar from MyProtein. The box today is going to be in the Train Strong, and I'll reveal it right up. The box we're looking for is this small one right here. And it's Go to Bed Early. Okay, doesn't come out. Give me a sec. It's a clear weight isolates with a cranberry and raspberry flavor. That's nice. Thank you all that have been watching these videos, and please stay tuned for the next ones.